In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a checkout page template on Systeme.io. We'll start from your Systeme.io dashboard. Once you're logged in, head to the Sites section and then click on Sales Funnels. This is where you manage the funnel pages connected to your offers. From there, open the funnel where you want your checkout page template to live. Inside the funnel, click Add Step. Give this new step a clear name so it's easy to identify later, especially if your funnel has multiple pages. In the Type dropdown, choose Order Form because this is the page type designed specifically for collecting customer details and processing payments. Then click Save to create the step. After saving, Systeme.io will show you a library of pre-designed checkout templates. Pick a base template that's closest to the style and layout you want. It doesn't need to be perfect because you'll customize it next. Once you've selected your template, click Edit Page to open the page builder. Now you're inside the editor, and this is where the important customization begins. Focus first on the payment block, which is the core element of the checkout page. If you want to collect lead information before asking for payment details, you can remove the standard checkout form and replace it with the two-step order form from the left sidebar. This can make the experience feel less overwhelming for buyers. Next, if you want to increase the order value, add an order bump element just above the buy button. This is ideal for a simple add-on offer that customers can include with one click during checkout. You should also add trust signals to the page. Things like security badges, a money-back guarantee, and customer testimonials can be placed in the sidebar or below the form. These details help reduce hesitation and can improve conversions by making the checkout page feel more credible and secure. Once you've finished customizing the design, click Save, and then click Exit to return to the funnel settings. Back in the step configuration, scroll down to the Offer Type section and choose the correct product type, such as digital product or physical product. If you're selling a digital product, go to the Resources area and click the plus icon to define what happens after purchase. From there, you can grant full or drip access to an online course or course bundle, apply a tag to the contact for email automation, and add the customer to a community if needed. Finally, go to the Price Plan section and click the plus icon. Here you can attach a pricing structure to the offer, whether that's a one-time payment, a multi-part payment plan, or a recurring subscription. Once that's set up, your checkout page template is ready to use.